Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how can you delete duplicates contacts on iPhone in iOS 16. First, you need to have your iPhone updated to iOS 16. To do that, go to Settings. Scroll down to General. Tap on Software Update. You will see iOS 16 Update, download and install. You'll need this update for this method. As you can see, my iPhone is up to date. To delete duplicates contacts, open Contacts app. Wait for a few seconds. And you will see a message on top saying that it has found duplicates contacts. Tap on View Duplicates Contacts. You can either merge all, or ignore all. Tap Merge All to make duplicates contacts into one contact. And you can do this for the rest of them. Tap on Merge Duplicates. That's how you delete duplicates contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.